this beautiful sunny day, we travel to the Bamaeri Resort, which is located about 50 kilometers from Shillong city and 1.5 hour drive from Guwahati city. On the way to Bamaeri Resort, we could feel the freshness as the green paddy field lying on the roadside, which made us to halt for a while to capture videos. Bamaeri Resort is located in Umta Village, Ribhoi District, which is 9 kilometers from the national highway. It is a place where nature captured your imagination. Surrounded by lush greenery, it offers a serene escape from urban life, making it an ideal place for relaxation and rejuvenation. There is a good restaurant where you can get different type of food. We walk on this path where about us there is a beautiful architectural structure like a wood. The resort is involved with green landscape and green lawns where you could find a peaceful environment. The green lawn beside the pathways attract us to laze around for some time. Explore more, we saw cottages and tent houses for the visitors to stay. pavements, the green leaves and trees all around, which made us feel like we are in a dream of a fairyland. There is a resting stone beneath the mushroom-shaped umbrella. So we sat there to rest for some time. As we went down, we saw the old Bedford Shillong city bus parked at the garage. We took photos with this old bus as a reminiscence of the past years of Shillong mode of passengers transportation. We saw the artificial cave made in the trunk of a big tree with lightning inside, which looked beautiful from outside. Besides, there are all-terrain vehicles parked near the bus. These all-terrain vehicles are giving ride to the visitors. So we decided to take a ride as an adventure to explore the terrain around the resort. As the all-terrain vehicles are boarded, igniting its engine with a loud sound, we were all and out with fear of the ride. However, we took this as a challenge. The terrain is a very steep and muddy. The driver had to take a rapid driving and the vehicle is shaking all the way. As the all-terrain vehicle climbed up the terrain and smoke of the vehicle belching out, we were enjoying as well as scared of tumbling down. We cannot just keep quiet but to shout all the way. At this moment, we understand that it is a challenge task for us to take a ride on this all-terrain vehicle into a steep terrain which we had not experienced before. The vehicle rushed down the slope of the terrain. While returning back, we felt like it will be tumbling down and fear started to cripple into our heads. However, we didn't let our fear rule us until we reached the flat land. terrain vehicle to and fro. The steep and muddy terrain was enjoyable through it was a short journey. There are many activities in this resort. However, we didn't get a chance to explore all due to limited time. Bamaeri Resort is an ideal place for travelers seeking a quick getaway amidst nature.